humans, I'm Mr. Khing. Annyeong! Okay, let's go to the examples of popular exam questions and answer for the metals topic. So first, give a use of mild steel. Okay, any of this like car bodies, okay, and blah 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 blah. Okay, what is the use of high carbon steel? Okay, it is used to make knife, drills, and so on. Okay, so you see brass, it is an alloy which contains zinc. So name the other metals in brass. Okay, remember brass is made of zinc and copper. Okay, so next. So suggest two reasons why an alloy is preferred to either of its constituent metals. So why? Which means that why alloy is preferred compared to pure metals. Remember, alloy is a lot more stronger, harder, resistant to corrosion, and it has a better appearance. Okay, so next one, why pure metals they are metal? Okay, why? Okay, remember, okay, metals they are made of metal ions, okay, like so-called positive ions, and they are arranged in lattice, okay, in a regular manner. Okay, so therefore the layers of ions or atoms, okay, they can slide past each other easily. Okay, so next one, explain why alloys they are less malleable than metals, or why alloys they are harder or stronger compared to pure metals. Yeah, because the new atoms, okay, or foreign atoms, okay, are being introduced into the structures, okay, and they have different size, okay, and therefore it will disrupt the original arrangement, okay, and therefore reduce the movements of the atoms in the structures. Okay, so next, extractions of iron with equation. Okay, remember you see all these metal extractions, okay, is very popular and important in exam. So you see it can be end of this equation, okay, one acid-base reaction. Okay, remember acid-base reaction, it is always the reaction between calcium oxide and silicon oxide, remember, to form slag, yeah, so-called the calcium silicate. Yeah, then you see some comments you have to mention, okay, like carbon, it burns to produce carbon dioxide. Okay, and this is an example of exothermic reaction. And then the carbon dioxide produced will get reduced, okay, to form carbon monoxide. And then the carbon monoxide produced, it will then reduce the hematite, okay, iron 3 oxide into iron. Okay, so this is an example of reduction. Okay, and then limestone decomposes, and then limestone is used to remove the silica impurities to form slag. Okay, so next one. See, state two function of coke being used in blast furnace. Okay, this is very important. Okay, remember coke is added to as reducing agent and to produce heat. Okay, remember the reaction between carbon and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. Yeah, exothermic reaction. Heat is produced. Then why there is no immediate reaction observation when aluminum metal is added into the acid? Okay, remember, see, this only applies to aluminum. Aluminum, they have this protective oxide layer. Okay, next. Explain why the silica impurities is removed and separated from molten iron. Okay, why? Okay, like how and why, okay, you see? Okay, the silica impurities, okay, remember it reacts with calcium oxide to form slag. Okay, remember slag, it has a lower density compared to molten iron. Therefore, the molten slag, it will always float on molten iron. Okay, then how can the amounts of carbon get reduced in the iron produced? Okay, remember, okay, we blow in the oxygen gas. Okay, and then the oxygen gas will react with the carbon to produce carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is how the carbon is removed from the iron produced. Next one. Describe how zinc oxide is made from zinc blende. Okay, remember these keywords. Okay, so it is roasted in the air. Keywords. Okay, see, followed by this chemical equation. Okay, then the word equation for the reduction of zinc oxide by coke. Okay, see zinc oxide reduced by carbon to form zinc and carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. Okay, and then last one. Describe the extractions of zinc from its all-zinc blend. Your answer should include the details of how the heat is produced and equation for all the reaction that you describe. Okay, remember as I mentioned just now. Okay, remember first step. Zinc sulfide, also called zinc blend, it is roasted in the air to form zinc oxide. Yeah, and then the zinc oxide produced is reduced by carbon or coke. Yeah, remember you see heat produced by carbon burning in the air. So followed by this chemical equation. Alright, thanks. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye.